Okay, I'm seeing a hat. A shirt? Is that yo? What's up, everybody? As always, hope you guys are having a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. We have an absolutely massive Juice WRLD unboxing. We have one package with 5 items, and then we have this huge box that I just unboxed, and you're not going to want to miss out on it. There's some crazy stuff in it. We're gonna be unboxing all the items, then going over it, and then going over everything we unboxed today. And if you guys want a whole video going over all of my Juice WRLD collection, my hoodies, my shirts, my accessories, let's get this video to 50 likes. Let me know if you guys want to see that video. But without further ado, hope you guys enjoyed this one. We're on the road to 3,333 subs. Let's get into it. Alrighty, everyone, as you can see, this box is huge, but we have another small package to get into before we go into this one. For the first one we are seeing here, it looks like all of the shirts are coming in the 999 bag, which is pretty nice. Then we have this nice 999 tag right there. Alrighty, let's check it out. It looks like, ooh, okay. It has some nice color. We got Juice right here. I'm digging the butterflies and the colors they used. On the back, oh, that's pretty nice. We have the 999, like the Sharingan from Naruto. And on the back, it says Legends Never Dies. The tee has a nice weight to it. So first tee down, size large. Looking pretty nice. Let's go ahead and jump into the next one. I do want to say that when you're ordering from 999 Club, expect them, ooh, okay, nice. Expect them to take a while. This is the one I really enjoyed. This with Juice, the clouds, the birds. Pretty nice tee. Not too much going on, pretty simple. But hey, that is dope. Let's go ahead and jump into the next one. This is, oh, okay. I'm excited for this one as well. I should move this box out of the way. Give me 1 second. Alrighty, so getting into this one, I believe this is the In My Head tee, which I am very happy to have. I love the design. I love that it's just black and white, and I love the font they used on the back. In My Head, such a cool design. Let me know how you guys felt about the In My Head music video. Alrighty, getting into the next one. Can you guys guess what it is? I'm gonna say the dog shorts. Nope, not a dog. The right side we have Legends Never Die with the skull, the 999. And then here we have the 999 again. We have this wizard doing wizardly things. Good for summer. Does anyone else have the 999 shorts or any 999 Club shorts at all? They do have a pocket in the back for your cell phone. Do they have pockets in the front? Yep. The last one, it looks like these may be shorts as well. Seeing a hand and some lips. Let's go ahead and take it out. We have the Nirvana in Utero looking design. We have one of Juice WRLD's first t-shirt designs right here. And then we have World's Peace. We have Selfless embroidered right here, which is nice on the back. Again, another pocket. Also have the hand with Anti, and then the lips right there. Alrighty, so now that those shirts are out of the way, let's go ahead and dive into this gigantic mystery box. This mystery box was a gift, so I don't know what tier it was. Let's jump right in. Alrighty, we got the big box here. It is just 2 open boxes shoved into each other, but that is all good because it arrived here safely. I'm gonna try not to damage anything while opening it. I don't even have real scissors, just a pen of a dream. And the big question is, when is Bibby going to drop the album? There's a lot of tape. Alrighty, here we go. Let's see. Okay, I'm seeing a hat, a shirt. Is that, yo? Let's go! Yo! No way! That's wild. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. I'm literally so happy. I really wanted this to come in the mystery box, but I was like, I don't think so. I don't think it's possible. But it did. This is going to... This is so sick. This is so sick. Man. Wow. Yo, this is great. And that's... Wow. They really put... Okay, hold on. Hold on, they put a bunch of stuff in here. I don't even, okay, let's go one at a time. But we'll get into that in a second. First of all, we got a trucker tee. Let's see what it is. Give you guys first look. Oh, the nice Legends Never Die. Clean, nice, good job. Oh, this is a hoodie? A hoodie as well? Yo, what is that? Oh my god. Yo, no! Bro, this is loaded. Yo, this mystery box is loaded. Thank you to the people who gifted me this. I don't know if I can say the name, but thank you so much. Oh, yo, wow, wow. And it's a family member, it's not a random person. But yo, they have the, let me show you. Look at that, check it out, check it out. I wanted this one. That's so crazy that it came in the mystery box. Get the design, yo. Check out the design, that is so dope. Hit her with a bye-bye. Okay. Yo, man, we got the Juice WRLD's eyes right here. Wow, what was the retail of this hoodie too? That's crazy. I don't know the price of the box, but so far, it seems like it was worth it. We got Marshmallow's eyes right there, and then the 999. This hoodie is so sick. I like that they included this picture right here of Juice in the glasses. This is also another really good picture of Juice kind of smiling right here. Alright, so far we have that. We have the trucker hat, we have the hoodie, and we have this. I believe it's a hoodie that I really wanted as well. Okay, I'm gonna cover it up so I don't see what's next. Man, this too. Yo, I wanted this hoodie as well. Check it out, check it out. Wow, okay, wow. They put a lot of effort into this one. We got the big design on the back. Got him right here as well. That is crazy. We got the clouds on the sleeves. We have it going from the white to the blue. Juice on the front. 999. We even have designs on the hoodie. The sun, the birds. Come on. I gotta do a 999 collection video. I really wanted this one too. So it's crazy that this came in the mystery box. I was not expecting this. This might start coming off with some wear, but hopefully take good care of it and everything will be good. I really wanted this one. Okay, I gotta take my hat off. My hair is gonna be wacky. Make sure to follow Kicked Out LV as well. Alrighty, next one. Wow, it feels like there's a lot. Let's see what this is. Okay, we have a is this like one of the Live Free tees? This one's taped up right now. We'll get to that in a second. Let's go ahead and try and get another one maybe from this side. Okay, we get a Juice WRLD face mask. Alrighty, next one. Okay, we got another socks. Balloon socks? Yo, we got balloon socks in here as well. From the Fighting Demons? Yep, from the Fighting Demons collection, we got some balloon socks. That's wild. Hopefully there's some more accessories. That would be cool. Or should we save some for later? We have, oh, I wanted this one. Oh, it's the long sleeve as well. This is nice. I like the white and pink. It really pops a lot. We have 999 checkerboard. Motorsports, size large. We got Juice WRLD with the wings on the back. Legends Never Die. Conversations. How did you guys like the Conversations music video as well? 999 Motorsports. I'm assuming, yep, 999 Motorsports on this one as well. Very nice. Let's get another one. This is, ooh, the Party Never Ends tee. Sick. Nice. Hopefully the album drops soon. Let's see. Is this an accessory? No. It's this one's sealed as well. We'll get into this in a second. Is this the... It looks similar to what we just got. Oh yeah, it's the same shirt. Interesting. Same shirt, but hey, all good. Have to wear it twice or I'll give it to someone. Socks. Yo, is this another hoodie? Oh, this is the... Let me see. Yo, another hoodie. Wow. The Fighting Demons hoodie. Yo, man. Plain on the black, plain on the black, plain on the back. On the front we got Juice WRLD, and behind them, in front of, on the front we got Juice WRLD, in front of the moon, Fighting Demons. Cool, 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 cool. Keep on going. Also, let me know if you guys decided to order a mystery box and how it went for you. Again, I don't know the tier of this one. Oh, it looks like this is the last item. And it is the, oh, yo, I keep saying this, but I don't know. I've been keeping up with the Juice WRLD collections for a while, and I really like this one. It was one of those like 3-day release only, or one of those special releases. Wow. Oh, we got the 999 on the sleeve. Nice. I forgot the name of this one too, but I'm digging this design, yo. Simple black and white, very nice. I believe we still have to unbox those tees. Alright, so we have 4 tees in bags. Tees that were in the bag, the Party Never Ends tee. And then the next one was this Juice WRLD Live Free. Let's see what's popping over here. Oh, okay. So Juice. Yo, that's pretty sick. Not gonna lie. Got the Juice on the back. This image of Juice takes inspiration from Tupac Shakur, which is where Juice WRLD got inspiration to make his own name, I believe. I like that they did it red right here. And then this white one was the same. In here we have a Juice WRLD Day Racing t-shirt. Alrighty, so now that those are out of the way, let's go ahead and open up this figure and see how it looks. In some of the highest tier mystery boxes, they were giving out the, what is it, 2 feet, 3 feet Juice WRLD figure. This one, wow, this is really packaged good. I think we got it. Woo. And it's still in packaging. Woo. Alrighty, here it is out of the packaging. I hope this is a hint that we will be seeing more Juice WRLD characters coming out. We have Juice WRLD stats maxed out 999. Now let's go ahead and open up the box. Slide off lid. Taking a second. Ooh. Go. Alrighty. More packaging. Wow, they really took care of these. This is a nice size too. Definitely a really nice size. The Bad Boy music video was so sick. Yo, did I just do that? Is that from me? What is that? I don't know if that's from me, but there's a... Interesting. There is like some oily substance on him. I don't know if you guys can see it right here, but there's some discoloration. But hopefully that'll just wear off. This is so sick. I can't wait to put this on my shelf. Love the sandals. I love the tattoos they got going on. Man, this is nice. Yo, that is so sick. Alrighty, so now let's go ahead and go over everything we unboxed in this video. What's up everyone? I forgot to press record last night, so we're gonna quickly wrap up by going over everything that we unboxed today. We had the 999 face mask. Next up, we had these Fighting Demon blown socks. We had the Legends Never Die trucker hat. The Party Never Ends t-shirt. Number 1, Juice tee. The second got the Juice tee. Pretty cool. Conversations long sleeve shirt. The Mellow Gang Bye Bye Juice WRLD hoodie. This is one of my favorites. That came out of the mystery box. I love this blue. Then we had this hoodie with the 999 on the sleeves. Pretty classic black and white colorway. We also had the Fighting Demons hoodie with Juice and the Moon. 2022 Juice WRLD Day merch. This is a Juice WRLD Motorsports t-shirt. And then we also had the Juice WRLD figure, which I am so excited that it came with the mystery box. Let me know what are your guys' thoughts on this figure. It is super sick. I can't wait to display it on one of my shelves. You will definitely be seeing it in the upcoming videos, so make sure to stay tuned. We had the matching shirt to the previous hoodie that we took a look at. Also had this beautiful Legends Never Die t-shirt, which is gonna be perfect for the summer. Then we had the In My Head t-shirt that I love. Can't wait to rock this. Juice on the front, In My Head in the back, on the back. I can't speak. But yeah, this is definitely one of my favorite tees. We also had the Legends Never Die with the wizard. There he is. Legends Never Die font. Then we had these shorts with kind of a lot going on. They got the Nirvana kind of design, the 999. That was on one of Juice's first ever pieces of merch, World's Peace. We got the globe with some butterfly wings, selfless, embroidered right here in purple, the pocket on the back. So after unboxing the mystery box, let me know if you guys thought this box was worth it. Remember, 50 likes and we'll do a Juice WRLD collection video. As always, hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. I got some fuzz on me. Till the next time, guys,